Now, we're going to be comparing the behavior of three different structures. In the middle, we have unreinforced masonry walls. On the left, we have confined masonry walls, which are made up of individual masonry units, confined around the edges by representative reinforced concrete elements. On the right, we have a moment frame, which is made up of the representative concrete elements alone. Now, keep in mind that the reinforced concrete beams and columns of a confined masonry system tend to be sized much smaller than those of a concrete moment frame system. So, while we'll see the system acting as a moment frame, the small size of the members will give it a relatively low capacity. Let's shake these structures in plane. We start to notice hinging in the moment frame where the flexural demands are greatest. It's important to note that though the moment frame here is yielding first, that doesn't mean that a concrete moment frame can't make a good lateral system. It just means that the beams and columns need to be adequately designed to do so. That would mean sizes larger than the typical 15 and 20 centimeter beams and columns of a confined masonry system, as well as other special measures. In the unreinforced masonry system, we see diagonal cracks forming, shortly followed by the complete disintegration of the masonry wall. In the confined masonry system, we also see diagonal cracks forming in the wall. As the wall deforms, these two corners pull apart from each other, causing tension. As we know, masonry alone is weak in tension, and similar to the unreinforced masonry system, we see cracks develop. However, the confining elements postpone the complete disintegration of the wall. In a related note, when the wall corners move together, a compression strut forms, which is an important mode by which the seismic force at the roof finds its way down to the ground. As we can see, it is the combined action of the compression strut in the wall and tension in the confining elements that allow for strut and tie action, which provides a complete load path from the roof to the ground.